how it's loud in here. I hope you guys can hear me. Today I'll be testing different systems for POV. One of the commenters asked about different POV system, and so today we're going to try out a clip. I have my book bag right here. Clip this onto the book bag shoulder. I used this before on my previous video. This is a magnetic clip by, what's the company? Ulanzi GP16. This is for sandwiching between your shirts, just like a GoPro, no, not a GoPro, a Insta360 Go 2 or Go 3. So that's kind of like a chest mount, but without the whole shebang. Here is a Telesin chest mount, representing any chest mount, DJI, GoPro, anything like that. I don't recommend Telesin, but yeah, DJI and GoPro I think should be okay. And then using the DJI expansion adapter with any of these three, and we'll see how the video is for all three. And I can tell you right now, I think, in my opinion, probably this with a book bag is the best. If you don't have a book bag, then this will be the best. I think this will be the worst, because essentially you have the weight of this Pocket 3 pulling on your shirt fabric, and it's just not going to be as tight as a chest mount. That's really tight. But the problem with this chest mount is very noticeable. So if you don't care about being noticeable, or you don't care about maybe you don't care about the heat it generates on your chest because it's blocking whatever your shirt, then that might be a good option. But I feel like people might stare at a chest mount compared to something like a book bag with a shoulder clip. I think that's the most incognito, the least obvious. Okay, so let's go. Let me just add that you'll probably want to go through the settings to make it more incognito, which would be to shut off the LED within the settings, to also have the screen off at 3 seconds when you start the recording, so it's just less noticeable. And obviously you want to also set it to wearable mode. Wearable mode gets a POV facing the other way. You see the issue with the garbage. GoPro chest mounts.
good.
Gross, condensation inside. Just finished with the chest mount. Gets really hot on your chest. I mean, just because there's no breathability. Now for the next one. Now the clip is clipped into the book bag. The book bag strap is holding against the body, very firm. That's what it looks like. I think it's more incognito than the center strap. Okay, the con about using this is that it's not completely straight when it's on your strap, which means that you have to use the DJI Nemo app to reorient it straight. Because not like the chest mount. Chest mount is always facing straight if you orient it straight from the get-go. 4K, 60 frames per second on the mode. Audio, my god. Golden